He's saying that this verse does not make it must on a human being, on a person, to join Islam to survive or to be led to for salvation.
But first, Yahud were before Islam, so why could not have its application on Yahud who were previous prior to Islam? And so were Nasara, so were Sabi'in, followers of some books which Arabs didn't know, but they understood that they followed those books. So that is one explanation. And the second explanation is, which is a lasting, eternal explanation for this, that the Holy Quran does not declare that every non-Muslim will be hellbound. That will be condemning the entire people of the world to hell. Allah couldn't show such partiality to Islam, and it's a sort of racism against every other religion. So the conditions here are such as indicate that people, including Muslims, other people can also go to heaven. Conditions are such that only pious people can fulfill those conditions. In all these three verses in which this subject is discussed, the first part is Amanu. That is about those who believe in Hazrat Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So Islam is given preference, of course. Then Alladhina Hadu wa Nasara, etc. So among them are good people, and according to the Holy Quran, some of them, when they hear the verses of the Quran, they start shedding, the tears start shedding from their eyes, which means that among them are very many God-fearing people. And the message of Islam also may not have reached some good people. There are some who cannot openly accept Islam, but because of the pressure of the society, but they're deeply impressed by the quality of the Quran. And apart from them, there are so many good people all around the world whom the message never reached, or if ever reached them, it reached in a very twisted way. Like Islam is nowadays introduced in Europe, and was introduced in Europe in a way that no sane person could believe in such an Islam. And now the terrorist movements of Mullahism in Pakistan and Afghanistan, etc. If you were not born a Muslim, could you believe in Islam after looking at them? It's impossible. You might have hated it like anything. So it all depends on what sort of Islam is being presented. Those who are presented with that distorted Islam, if they had any sense, they would not believe in it. But if at the same time they believe in their own books honestly and believe in the hereafter and do good deeds, then why should they be deprived? So this is the sum total of explanation which covers every sort of person. Right?